we are not considering the wife of Senator Bato as suspect or anything, but to shed light.
Nilinaw ng National Bureau of Investigation NBI na ang planong pagpapadala ng subpena kay Nancy De La Rosa, asawa ni Senator Ronald Bato De La Rosa, ay hindi para alamin kung nasaan ang senador. Ayon kay NBI Director Melvin Matibag, wala umanong kinalaman sa paghahanap sa kinaroroonan ni Senator De La Rosa ang naturang subbuena. Aniya, hindi nila tatanungin si Nancy tungkol sa lokasyon ng kanyang asawa. Nauna nang sinabi ng NBI na magpapadala ito ng subpena kay Nancy De La Rosa at sa iba pang mga individual na huling nakasama ng senador bago ito umalis sa protective custody ng Senado.
We are not considering the wife of Senator Bato as suspect or anything, but to shed light.
May update na po, sir, regarding kay sa case ni Senator Bato De La Rosa.
Senator Bato, we are justice ganun pa rin. Every day naman we have a tracking team to locate him and effect the arrest. But yung subpoena, meron na kaming mga inisyuhan to the personalities na nakita talaga namin na nakasama niya before siya nawala. I think 4 yung subpoena na inisyu eh. Hindi siya subpoena. It's si Jara Aplasca, si Jane Robles, the chief of police of Pasay City, and there's another one personality na identified.
Sir, yung
ayun, yung tito yata niya.
Yung Jane Robles, yung aide niya, sir, no?
Yung aide ni Senator Padilla and the tito of Senator Robin Padilla. Siya yung nandun sa itim na pickup eh.
Sir, when are they expected, sir?
Sa Angeles.
Kailan po sila expected?
Parang this week. Kasi we given them enough opportunity to. We'll go back to doon sa subpoena na sinasabi kay, kasi napag-usapan na. It's not, we are not considering the wife of Senator Bato as suspect or anything, but to shed light. Alam nyo, the people should understand, ang subpoena, hindi kasi subpoena dahil automatic akusado ka. Kaya kami sinisubpoena, you can give reason to shed light on a matter. So matatanong ka na gano'n. So yun po yung subpoena. Pag nakareceive tayo ng subpoena sa MBI, huwag ko kayong matakot na isipin nyo kagad akusado kayo. You're being subpoena probably as a witness or who can give something to shed light on a matter that the MBI will ask.
Sir, what division is handling this case again?
CCD.
CCD
Yeah.
po. Sir, they're arguing this parang spousal immunity or na sinasabi nila.
Well, yun na nga eh. Kasi pag nag-argue ka kagad ng spousal immunity, iniisip mo na kagad, akusado siya. That's why we're clearing it. If you be subpoena, you are being asked to shed light or merong ibang item na pinatake. In this case nga kay sa wife ni Senator Bato is on the issue of the statement of Senator Alan Peter Cayetano na may text message siya na receive. We have to validate the truthfulness of the statement of Senator Cayetano vis-a-vis dun sa sinasabing text message. We'll ask Mrs. Bato, Mrs. De La Rosa, kung talaga bang may text at ano yung nature ng text.